Hello and welcome to all my sweet children. How are you today? Are you fine? I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. So you're here today with us to do another origami creation. Now remember, we have learned a lot about flower making. Lots of flowers, tulips, iris flowers, so flowers like that. But if you make all these flowers, where can you put them? Where can you keep them? That's right. So that's what I'm making today. So look, it's an origami vase that I'm making so that you can put in your ayami flowers that we made in the earlier videos, right? So origami or paper vase that we have here that you're going to make with me today. Right, children? It's a very traditional origami technique, but it's also a very useful one. So we'll use a 15 into 15 centimeter piece of paper and fold it in half like this. Now fold it in half again to the other side. Now fold it backwards like this to make it a triangle. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you know how to do this. How to make the 4 small squares like this. Now, can you see the side that doesn't open up is facing you, right? And then this edge has to come down and meet the middle line. And the same thing on the other side. Now remember, these are the upper 2 flaps, not the lower ones included, just the upper 2. Then now open this up and can you see this edge? Press it down please, so that the lines are on top of each other. Do the same thing on the other side now. Slowly open it up and bring the line, the center line, to the center line at the bottom. Turn it around. Do the same thing. Fold it like this. Then open up the flap and make sure the lines are on top of each other. Do the same thing on the other side now. Press down on these lines and then bring down that little flap to the bottom. Do the same thing on the other side. Then slowly open it up from both sides so that those 2 sides we were working on are closed. Now do the same thing here on this side. This corner comes to the middle. Then the top part comes down and do the same thing on the other side. Now that you have got the basic shape, we need to push it in so that we can get a nice pocket sort of thing, right? Or you can keep it like this as it is. Open up a little part, then fold it twice and then bring it completely down while marking from the middle folded line. Then fold it backwards a bit and then push it into the pocket like this. Now you can do the same thing on all 4 sides, but I would like to keep it open and without being hidden. Now this is our vase. How do we make a height? Now the vase needs to be flat. If your vase needs to be flat, this line needs to be folded like this. But if you want it to be a taller vase, you can fold in only a little, right? Then now slowly open it up and make sure the bottom part remains straight. Now hold with your hands like this and pinch it in, but make sure you don't tear it. Now open it up. Now our vase is made and proper. So you can keep it like this, or you can keep the pockets, or you can even roll it a bit like this so that it looks nicer. It has a nicer shape then. Okay, like this. Now you can make it like a flower itself. So you can fill it in with your ayami flowers or your tulip flowers, and then make a vase and keep it on the table so that the flowers have a place to go. So I hope you enjoyed making it. Goodbye, stay safe.